In this lesson, we're going to see how we can white label Brizy. Now, it is worth noting that before you go any further, this is only available in the Pro agency plan of Brizy. Now, this is perfect if you're an agency and you don't want your client to know that you're using Brizy as the editor for their website, but you still want to give them access. So how do we go about doing it? Now, it's not immediately available inside the settings or anywhere else inside Brizy. So to access these options, we simply come to the address bar and we just add this little bit of extra information to the end of our URL. Now, when we hit enter, we'll find we have new options. We have the white label option underneath the Brizy settings section. So let's open that up. And inside there, you can see we've got some basic options where we can change things like the logo, the prefix, those kinds of things. Okay, so let's make some really simple changes. Let's change the company name to something like WP Tuts. We'll change the prefix to the same, WP Tuts. And finally, we'll just update the description as well. So we'll have a front-end page builder by WP Tuts to help you create WordPress websites. Okay, and the final thing I want to do is just quickly go ahead and change the logo. We'll use this one. Okay, so we've made a couple of simple changes. Let's just save those and take a look at where they actually reflect on the site itself. First of all, if we take a look at the Brizy entry on the dashboard, you can see that now says WP Tuts and we've got our logo that's been replaced inside there. Next, if we open up the pages section, inside there you can see everything is now being created with WP Tuts, and also edit now says edit with WP Tuts as opposed to edit with Brizy. Also, anywhere we can actually create content using Brizy, for example, adding a new page, you see now we have edit with WP Tuts and our logo. And if we're working on a page that we've already created, and we open that up, we now have edit with WP Tuts replacing the edit with Brizy button. And finally, if we hop back over into the plugins section, you'll see that Brizy is no longer listed. Everything is listed with our rebranded white label version. So for example, WP Tuts and WP Tuts Pro.